Updating mobile apps seems to be a daunting and data-consuming task, and we all know the importance of having up-to-date apps on our mobile devices. Today, I'm going to show you how you can update your Google Play Store's apps, install new apps, and perform other common day-to-day app operations using this trick. This method works for over 22 countries in Africa.
First, requirements.
Number 1. The preferred mobile network operator is MTN. Later, I'll show you how to use other mobile networks. Number 2. You must be on MTN Pulse. If you are not, dial *406# to migrate. Number 3. This trick works between 11 p.m. and 6 a.m. Lastly, ensure you have no daily, weekly, or monthly data left on your phone. You might ask me, what internet data are we using? Relax, we are using the free YouTube Night Data plan. Yes, you get this YouTube Night Data plan for free when you subscribe for weekly or monthly data plans from MTN, ranging from 500 Naira above. Do you have all this? Let's go! This tutorial is made possible for easy viewing through screen mirroring using Dell Mobile Connect on my computer. First, let's check our mobile data balance. Dial *131*4# and wait for a well-detailed SM. I have two YouTube Night Data plans, one 8.02 GB and 1.73 GB, making 9.75 GB at the start of this tutorial. At exactly 11 p.m., switch on your mobile data, open your Google Play Store, and click on My Apps and Games to view the apps that needed to be updated. We have 38 outdated apps in total. Click one after the other. Or, click on Update All, then wait for the apps to be updated. Wow, it's done. Simple, right? With this method, you can also install new apps of your choice. Here we installed the app TikTok and other arcade games, which works perfectly throughout the installation. We installed the Need for Speed arcade game, which has a high download size of 75 MB. We have now installed two new apps without issues. If this method also works for you, kindly comment, "Yay! Thanks, it works." Now, let's check our mobile data balance. Dial *131*4# and wait for a well-detailed SMS. Now we have 7.02 GB and 1.73 GB, making 8.75 GB in total. Therefore, 1 GB was used in updating our mobile apps and installing two new apps on our Android phone. Before we proceed, consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to receive more related quick hacks and hands-on approach on technology and stuff. This method also works for internet sharing through mobile hotspot. Here, I'm connecting my computer to my Android phone. The connection status might show not connected and secure. Don't worry, proceed to your preferred browser. Then, head on to YouTube by typing www.youtube.com on the browser's address bar. Now you can watch your favorite movie, TV shows, match highlights, save movies to your playlist, create a playlist, and more can be done with this method without restrictions. Here is a proof to show this method works perfectly without fuss. You can also download any YouTube video on your mobile phone to watch later. Here, I downloaded loads of my favorite videos to watch later without internet connection. You can do the same. On any of your choice of devices, this method can also be used to watch live games or broadcast from your favorite or random YouTube channels. For gamers, you can watch live gameplays from your fellow game lovers and more. Try it. For YouTube creators, this method works perfectly as well. You can view existing uploaded videos, view your channel analytics, edit videos, opt in for monetization, remove copyright strike, answer queries, reply to comments and upload new videos. There are no restrictions as to what you can do here. With this method, you can access Gmail. Head on to www.gmail.com and access your mails. You can compose emails, send emails, attach files, reply to emails, and many more. There are no restrictions here whatsoever with this method. Here, you can see how I composed a mail, attached a file, and sent, which then displayed delivered. Google Drive. This method can also be used to access Google Drive. You can back up your precious files, folders, app, or any files you don't want to lose. Here you can see me downloading heavy files from Google Drive and also backing up a file. The backed up file can then be accessed on any device, provided you have the Google account login. You can conduct a Google search, provided you are not clicking on the links generated. This method proves useful and amazing through the provision of questions and answers snippets created by Google, found on the search engine result pages. Did you know you can also access Google Ads portal with this method? You can create ads, modify ads, make payments, and administer control over your new or existing Google Ads campaigns. Navigating around here shouldn't be too hard for you. Try it. During the ongoing pandemic, video call and in-video meetings have been the norms of the day for every business. So if you want to create a virtual meeting with colleagues or seek an international appointment, Google Meet is there for you using this method. Getting around this interface is simple as ABC. On your mobile phone, you can now enjoy premium songs and videos without ads. With the launch of the new YouTube Music app, you can now enjoy any kind of music, videos, live streams, radio broadcasts, filled with the latest releases, making it one of the largest music libraries on planet Earth. This method totally enables you to listen, watch, download, create a playlist, and enjoy without fuss. Try it. It works. Learning a new language, or dying for a translation of any language, shouldn't be hard. With the help of Google Translate, you can do that without problems. Here, I've made lots of translations to the Zulu language from English. Also, offline translations are supported with this method. Try it. It works. Imagine being able to download full series of your kids' favorite sing-along songs, nursery rhymes, and playful illustrating movies in one night. Yes, your kid is gonna love it. Head on to the YouTube Kids app and experience the magic with this method. All you have to do is register yourself as a parent and insert the kids' information as well. Select preferences and enjoy. For your Earth's research projects, mappings, surveys, and studies, this method gives you access to the Google Earth's console without issues. Interact without limitations on this platform. Also, it works perfectly for the Google Maps app as well. You can perform various actions like the location of the Trump Tower and finding nice places around it. One of the most search engine highly indexed website pages is powered by Google. Introducing Google Sites. Google Sites is a free website builder from Google. You can create a new site, modify existing ones, or delete the whole repository on this platform. This method gives you 100% control over this platform. Likewise, it works for the ever-present blogger.com site publisher perfectly. You can check through the official Google products and services page to have lists of more apps that can be powered using this trick. But ensure you follow the rules of operation on the listed apps and services. Would it work? Simple answer, yes. It will work. Why? From my deep research, it was discovered Google makes use of one server resource for all its services and products for seamless and integratable performance. So this method should work on them. Glo, Airtel, 9Mobile and other service providers users should watch out for my next tutorial for steps on how to achieve the same. If you love this tutorial, you can explore this playlist and click on the subscribe button And the notification bell to be notified when next I drop another mind-blowing tricks and hacks. Till I come your way next time, peace out.